Hello guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to redeem Pandabuy points. Pandabuy points serve as a reward system on pandabuy.com. You earn 1 point for every one you once spent on international shipping. So if you have accumulated a lot of points, it's time for you to make use of them. So first, go to your Pandabuy account, then click your profile icon, and click on User Center. So here, you will be able to see all your collected points. So if you think you have enough points to redeem, go to the left side and click on My Points. You have to get codes of redeemable items and you're gonna paste it here. But where can we find these codes? Go to Google and search for CN Fair. Then click on the first result right here. Then you will be able to see a lot of items that you can get using your points. Just make sure that this is set to redeemable. Then click the item that you want. So here you will be able to see descriptions of the product and how much Pandabuy points you need to get the item. If you think you have enough points to use, just go ahead and click on Copy Redeem Code. Then go back to your Pandabuy account, click on Redeem Items, paste the code you copied here, then just click on Redeem with Points. As simple as that, you will be able to redeem as many items as you want, but of course, depending on the number of points you have. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please consider hitting the subscribe button. Thank you and see you on the next one.